Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to disable a snoozed page on Facebook using your PC following the latest update. If you've snoozed a page and want to start seeing its posts again, this process will help you end the snooze in just a few clicks. To begin, open Facebook on your browser by visiting facebook.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. This section allows you to customize various preferences for your account. From there, click on Content Preferences. This is where you'll find all the options related to managing your feed. In the Content Preferences section, locate and click on Snooze. This will display a list of all the profiles, pages, and groups that you have snoozed. Now, look at the top of the snooze page and choose Pages Only from the filter options next to the search bar. This ensures you're only viewing snoozed pages rather than individuals or groups. Once you've filtered for pages, find the page you want to unsnooze. You'll see an icon next to its name. Click on this icon. It will immediately disable the snooze function for that page, allowing its posts to reappear in your newsfeed. And that's it. You've successfully ended the snooze for a page on Facebook. This simple process lets you regain access to updates from pages you care about whenever you're ready. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance managing their Facebook feed preferences.